Hello, hello ulit. Hello, hello again. Hello, hello. Teacher Pink here. Okay. Good morning. Wow. Okay, good morning, kids. I miss you. Now we are going to study about civics and culture. Okay. Now we will going to learn about the magic words or the polite words. What are the polite words again? Saying good morning is a polite word. When you arrive in school, what will you say to your teacher? What will you say to your pastor? What will you say to your classmates? Okay, you will say good morning. Apo? Kasi good morning makes people happy. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, pastor. Good morning, classmates. Okay, one of the magic word or the polite word is the word good morning. Don't forget. Look at the picture. Okay, the kids are saying good morning to their teacher. Diba? Very good? Very good. Okay, next. How about saying good afternoon? Yes, one of the polite words are good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Okay? Don't forget your magic words, kids. Opo? Ang mabait na bata ay hindi nakakalimutan yung mga magagandang pag-uugali at magandang asal. Okay? Kailangan pag nakita natin si teacher, yung classmate natin, si pastor, tito and tita, mommy and daddy, in the morning, we will say good morning. And pag afternoon na, pag hapon na, we will say good afternoon, or hi po, good afternoon. And at night, pag gabi na, pag nakita mo si tita sa store, or si lola, or si lolo, hello lolo, good evening. And when you go to sleep, you will say good night to your mommy and daddy, opo? Okay, very good. How about saying thank you? Do you say thank you? First of all, we need to say thank you to Jesus. Sabi dito sa book, I can say a thank you prayer to God. Okay? Kasi pagising natin sa umaga, buhay pa tayo. Nakaka-smell pa tayo ng good and bad smell. Nakikita pa natin si mommy and daddy. And yung mga kapatid natin, yung mga friends natin. Kaya, we should be thankful to Jesus. We will thank God for the food we eat, We will thank God for the clothes, for our clothes. We will thank Jesus for all the guidance and protection. Opo. We will thank God in everything we do. Opo. Okay. And then, syempre, we need to say thank you when someone does something nice to you. Pag binigyan ka ng classmate ng food, pag nag-prepare si mommy ng snacks mo, ng baon mo going to school, when mommy help you take a bath, pag si mommy hinelp ka niya mag-brush ng teeth, when mommy and daddy helps you tie your shoe, wear your uniform, and when someone, kahit na sino, na gumawa ng mabuti sa'yo, we will say the word thank you. Opo, ang mabait na bata at ang LTBBLCN ay nagsasabi na good morning, good afternoon, good evening, thank you. One more thing. God teaches us to be careful. Opo. To be careful for what? Kasi sometimes we accidentally step on your classmate's foot, or you accidentally push your classmates, or you accidentally hurt mommy and daddy's feelings. We should say what is the word we are going to say. Yes, we will say sorry. Opo. And of course, kailangan din natin mag-sorry kay Jesus for all the things na ginawa natin. Kapag nagsinungaling tayo, pag hindi tayo nag-sorry kay Jesus, kay mommy and daddy, kay lolo and lola, kay tita and tito, malulungkot sila. Opo. Yan. Kailangan we always say sorry kapag nakagawa tayo ng hindi sinasadyang kasalanan sa ating mga friends. Opo. And then, how about this one? The magic word, may I help you? When someone needs help, you need to offer your help. Halimbawa, for example, ang bigat-bigat na nagdala ni mommy, hindi niya na ma-carry yung bag niya kasi meron pa siyang isang hawak na bag. Hirap na si mommy. Okay, what magic word? Ano ang magic word na sasabihin natin? Sasabihin natin kay mommy, kay daddy, or kung sinong makita natin na kailangan ng help? You will say, may I help you? Don't forget that magic word, opo. Opo. And how about this one? Excuse me. Okay. If you sneeze, achoo! In front of other people, you will say, excuse me. If you will cough in front of other people, you will say, excuse me po. And if you burp, like this one, burp, say, excuse me, opo. Very good. Don't forget the magic words and the polite words, kids. And how about this one? If you want to borrow your friend's things, your friend's pencil, your classmates' toys, your mommy's cell phone, your daddy's cell phone din, you will ask permission before using it. Kailangan magpapaalam ka. Don't just get it and use it like that. It's not yours. If it's not yours, you will ask permission. You will say, Daddy, may I borrow? Mommy, may I borrow? Teacher, may I borrow this one? Lolo, may I borrow this one? Lola, may I borrow this one? Tita and Tito, may I borrow this one? Or your classmates, may I borrow this one? A good boy and a girl ay laging may polite words, may magic words na lumalabas dito sa mouth natin. Opo? Okay. Kasi, sabi dito, good manners make us feel good. Good manners make us feel good? Is it good manners make us feel good? Opo, kasi pag ginagawa natin or sinasabi natin yung mga bagay na yan, ay masaya tayo at masaya din yung mga tao na sinasagihan natin ng mga bagay na yon. Opo. Do you feel good when you use polite words? Natutuwa pa kayo? Happy pa kayo? Of course. Opo. Kasi alam niyo ba mga bata, si Jesus, happy siya and love niya ang mga kids na magalang. May nagsasabi ng, excuse me, please, may I help you? Sorry, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Po and opo, don't forget, Jesus will be happy and our parents too. And also teacher. Okay? Kids, don't forget the polite words. Okay? Repeat after me. I can say polite words. Very good. Bye-bye.